We're going to get into today. Well, I had a viewer ask me to make a banana and strawberry moonshine. And I said, damn, that sounds good. So, this is going to be a recipe. And, well, let's get into it. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Hey, do me a favor. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down there somewhere. All right, we would really appreciate it. All right, now let's get started. I feel this is going to be simple. All right, so what we want to do, let's start with the strawberries. And I have, how much is there? 1 pound. 1 pound of strawberries. So what we're going to do, and this will take a couple things to get it done. Just take your strawberries, dice them up, put them in a jar. You don't have to dice, I'm just quartering them. Just to help get the flavor out a little bit easier. I mean, strawberries and bananas, they always did go well together. And I'm thinking this will go together too. And thank you for the suggestion. And I always appreciate suggestions. I need all help I can get. But this ain't gonna be very hard. So what I want to do is I'm gonna put the fruit in a jar, and it's gonna be, then I will add the moonshine to it. I got a quart of 100 proof shine here. Almost done. I mean, this is strawberry season. Nice and warm today. All right, a couple more. Two more. All right, so this is the strawberries. You put them in. Now, I'm thinking 4 bananas. And same way, 4 bananas, and we will slice them up. Do. You know, I wanted warm weather, but not this warm. 2 more bananas. One more banana. So it's 1 pound of strawberries and 4 bananas. Okay. The only thing I didn't tell you, I wanted to add a slice of lemon, nice big slice, because what that does, let me get rid of the seeds though. I feel that lemon juice, it helps with retain colors. I guess it's just a little bit of citrus acid, I think. And we're gonna put that in here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a quart of 100 proof shine. Okay. I'm gonna put a lid on that. And every couple of days, I'm gonna give it a shake. So we're gonna let that stay for, let's say, a week, okay? And then we'll finish this up. All right, so I'll see you in a week. Okay, so it's been 1 week, and here's our strawberry bananas. If you look at it, the strawberries are colorless. The liquid is strawberry colored, and it's time to move on to the next step. Okay, so we're gonna make this moonshine. One thing I wanna do is, I feel that it needs a sweetener. So we're gonna do 1 cup, after I drop it, it's slippery. Difficulties. One cup of sugar, all right, with a lot of apple. Okay, so 1 cup of sugar. We're just making a simple syrup, and 1 cup of water. And we just want to heat that up enough to melt that sugar. All right, let me turn that on. Okay, so let's get that done. All right, while that is, just keep your eye on it, keep stirring it. And while that's going on, we want to get the fruit out of our shine. Remember that was a quart? So, that stuff is gross looking. So we're just gonna let that sit there and drain a little bit. Beautiful color though, ain't it? Give this a stir. And basically what we want this is to clear up. Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. I think it's going to taste pretty good. So let this heat this up until it's clear, and then you can let it cool down. All right, so it's clear. Now just let it cool down a little bit. All right, we'll let that cool down. Let me get some bottles gathered up, and then we'll be back. I got rid of the old bananas and strawberries. Now I'm gonna add in my sweetener, my syrup. Oh, this. Now my idea was, I was gonna put in some French vanilla creamer, but I want to I don't know if I'm going to. That is pretty fantastic the way it is. Let me get a glass. I mean, pretty color. Wow. That is great, just like it is. I mean, it's not too sweet, but it is just a hair sweet, but you can really taste the strawberries and the bananas. Whoa. But I have to try it just a little bit and see if it changes it. Because with a little bit of that, it's like a strawberry cream. Oh. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that in the bottles. And if I want a strawberry cream, I'll just add a little bit to it. That's fantastic like that. Oh, I don't know which way you would... Oh, yes. Right, let's fill up. Yeah, there it is. See if I can do this without making a mess. Now these are smaller bottles. I don't think I'll get 3, I'll get 2. There is our strawberry banana moonshine. Without that. It is fantastic. And I can't imagine what that'd be like when it's ice cold. But if you do want to make a cream out of it, you just add a little bit of liquid French vanilla coffee creamer. And it makes a nice cream out of it. With the amount of alcohol that's in there, you just store it on the shelf. You don't have to refrigerate it. I guess the last thing I got to say is, besides wow, is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Still Works in Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Woo.